not this detective. And he reiterated there's no.
Okay, let's break this down. Now, Joseph, I want to turn to you on this. The main question here is whether or not the same judge who was presiding over the trial, the one who's presiding now over this hearing, is going to correct herself and say, you know what, I shouldn't have done this. I should have done this. This was an error. 40 years have passed. I know it's not impossible that these kind of things would happen, that a judge would actually rule that he or her made a mistake, but how likely is that to happen?
Not. It almost never happens, especially on national TV. However, let's give credit where it's due. Oftentimes, it can happen under unusual circumstances. This case arguably is one of those cases. However, given the fact pattern and that picture of that little boy and the idea of that boy dying and suffocating and overheating, whatever the exact cause was, makes it difficult to want to overturn it. However, I find this judge, she has a lot of intellectual honesty and she appears to be fair. And I think that she's going to do a good job, better than most, at listening and being willing to consider changing her mind if she can find there was a mistake.
You know, it's interesting you should say that. This is something that we talked about yesterday, how she seems to be a very fair-minded judge, so we'll see what happens. Let's take a break. When we come back, we'll be live in that